Hey everybody, Mr. Arnold here. I want to do a quick video just to say welcome, and I'm so glad that we got off to a good start on the first day. Now I know some of you have called me, texted me, and emailed me, and you've expressed your frustration with the technology, and some of you haven't even received a computer yet, and that's okay. I just want to reassure you to hang in there. It's a process to learn this platform. Even for teachers, it takes sometimes weeks or months to learn everything that is online school. So be patient and hang in there. Well, I want to recap two things that we talked about today real quickly. The first one is logging into the online school. So you can get to the online school by going to mglva.k12.org or .com, I'm sorry. So mglva.k12.com. Once you're there, you click OLS, login. OLS stands for online school. We refer to the online school as the OLS, or in the middle school we say OMS, online middle school. So click on that button, put in your username and password. Now students, please make sure that it's your username. Do not log in as your learning coach. If you do, it's going to make everything confusing because you can't access assignments. You're not going to be able to go to all the classes that you have scheduled for you. It just gets very confusing. So please log in under your account, not your learning coach's. So once you have that, click login and you are there. Now imagine this as walking into the front door of the school building. So now you're in. The computer is actually tracking that you have logged on. Okay. Now, you would never go and just stand in the hallway. You actually have to go to class. So going to class is, we're going to click on classes. Okay. And here are some courses that are listed. Now, I'm under my account, so I only have social studies because that's what I teach. But you should see things like math, ELA, science, social studies, art, etc. Okay. If you feel like you're missing one of those, please let me know and I'll be sure to check your student account. So to get to a class, you click on the title and it takes you into the course. There's all kinds of things in there, from reading to quizzes and things like that. And for social studies, I've not opened it yet, so you can't actually see anything. But I just wanted to show you this as an example. So that's how you walk into a class. The next thing is figuring out when and what time you have Class Connect sessions. So for every day, you log in, you click on My Schedule, and it shows you by time what time you have a scheduled Class Connect. To get into that Class Connect, all you do is simply click on it, and it should open up a window. Now you notice I clicked on it and it says it's not open at this time. Please try again later. Now here's the cool part. There's actually a recording. So I can click on that recording and it takes me to the recorded session. And so I can now review what the students learned in that session. Okay. So all live Class Connect sessions are recorded for you to review after. All right. And then over here, sometimes teachers schedule things on here. It could be assignments, events, or other things like that. All right. I just made an event called First Day of School, and if you were to click on that, you could, there's just a video of me and then some information on the first day of school. Okay, so I just wanted to review two things with you: how to log into the OMS, how to get to your schedule, and how to actually walk into a class. Thanks for a great first day, and I will see you tomorrow. If you have any questions, please reach out to me through email. You can call me or text me. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Facebook. The hashtag or my handle is @ArnoldMGLVA. Thanks.